Have you heard the tale of the vanishing air fryer? Listen close, there's something special in store. With the holiday spirit in the air, amidst the laughter and the cheer, Amy's dilemma kept her from sleep and held her back from taking the leap. She very much desired a large air fryer, but her small kitchen left her in a quagmire. Just as she'd given up on her last lead, she noticed something shiny in her feed. There was no need for her to search anymore, for she found the air fryer that's easy to store. And even though the weather had turned cold, Amy was delighted by her Gourmia fry and fold. This is how Gourmia rose to #1 in the nation, by always delivering joy through innovation. Behold, the Gourmia fry and fold. Available now at Target.